to a home science video with me, Sebastian. Today we're going to be making a tad of hydrogen gas, or more like quite a lot of it. And so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be exploring the different exothermic reactions and reactions between metals and metals. So, first off, we're going to have 100 ml of water and about 80 grams of sodium hydroxide. This is going to make an 80% concentration solution of sodium hydroxide. I bought this online from a chemical supplier called Ballychem, and you have to be quite careful with this if you're going to use anything like this. It's quite caustic and it's very corrosive. It won't melt your face off, but it is quite corrosive, and it is quite a bit of an irritant. So I recommend wearing rubber gloves or heavy duty gloves like I am. Now, the reaction between water and sodium hydroxide is also very exothermic, so that means it produces a lot of heat in the reaction. Be careful when doing this. I'm going to add it slowly and carefully, and you'll probably notice the steam coming up from on the glass. Now just swirl it like this. I haven't got a glass stirrer on me because the other one that I used kind of broke, so we're just going to swirl it like that, just to fully dissolve the sodium hydroxide. Now you'll notice there's a lot of water vapour on the sides of the beaker. That's because as the water heats up, it evaporates, and basically it's very exothermic. That's why it's heating up. I recommend not touching where the actual solution is because it's so hot. Literally, it's really, really hot, and it will burn. Seriously. Now, when that's fully dissolved, what we're going to do is, I've got a round bottom flask here. This contains an unknown amount of aluminium foil, all bound up and bundled up. This was pretty cheap, about 65 pence we got this for, so it's really good, and it's a really good source of aluminium. Sorry. Now here I've got an ice bath just to control the heat, the temperature made from this awesome reaction. So, that was stiff. We're just going to put it into the ice bath, like so. Perfect. Now, I've got a funnel here, and what I'm going to do is, no, let's not use the funnel. No, it might be a better idea. Watch this. Oh, it's quite smelly, so but yeah. As the sodium hydroxide reacts with the aluminium, it produces a lot of hydrogen gas and a lot of heat. The hydrogen gas is absolutely has a revolting smell, so be careful with that as well. It's amazing. If it dies down like this, then you can always add some more sodium hydroxide. So, the grey stuff in the bottom of the flask, that's called sodium aluminate. Now, this is quite unusual because normally the only types of compound are metal and non-metal, or non-metal and non-metal. It's very rare to have metal and metal. And so this is quite a cool reaction because it produces quite a rare compound. Now I'm going to try it without an ice bath. Don't try this at home. Oh. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and definitely hit that post notification bell to receive updates from my channel. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another Home Scientist video. Bye!